name of my colleagues of the Board of Trustees of the African Leadership Center, how very, very much we miss Peter. What a great contribution he made to the work of the African Leadership Center, and how we still continue to miss his wisdom and his intellectual guidance and his great kindness and humility and endless generosity in giving of his time and his counsel to all of us in our work together, and also to all of us personally in our lives. This is an irreplaceable loss, and one with which we still have to come to terms. So this is indeed a welcome opportunity to reflect on what Peter meant to all of us, and to see how we can take his legacy forward.